Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Chandraman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make corridor wiring diagram. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. 2A switch 1, 2A switch 2, 2A switch 3, 2A switch 4, 2A switch 5 and 2A switch 6. Light 1, light 2, light 3. Phase connection to switch 1, switch 3 and switch 5 common terminal. L2 connection between switch 5 and switch 6. L1 connection between switch 5 and switch 6. Phase connection outgoing from switch 6 to light phase terminal. L2 connection between switch 3 and switch 4. L1 connection between switch 3 and switch 4. Phase connection outgoing from switch 4 to light 2. L2 connection between switch 1 and switch 2 L2 terminal. L1 connection between switch 1 and switch 2 L1 terminal. Phase connection outgoing from switch 2 common terminal to light 1. Neutral connection to light 1, light 2 and light 3. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.